Hey guys, in this video I'm going to explain to you how you can change your Halifax mortgage direct debit. So basically there's this form. If you want to change the account you pay from, you have to fill in this form and send it to this postal address. Okay, you have to fill in this whole form. This is how you get the form. So you come to their website, okay, under home, click on mortgages, then click on existing customers, click on change your direct debit, and you can send this form by post. Okay, you'll find the address right here at the top of the form. And of course, you can also do this by phone to change your direct debit details. And of course, you have to call from the same number which is registered on your mobile. If you want to change your direct debit payment date, what you can do is you can click here, change payment date, and there'll be a form right here. You have to fill in all your details and then submit this form to them, and they will reach out back to you, verify, and then they should change your date. Really that easy and simple, guys. You have to do this from the website. You can do this right here and send them either the form or do the online form if you want to change the payment date. So I hope this video was of value to you. If it was, guys, consider smashing that like button as well as subscribing to frequently asked questions, and I'll see you in the next one.